Hey guys, dear Mr. One more time. A very warm welcome to all of you and a very good afternoon. In my today's session, I'm going to talk about Jenkins. So, what is Jenkins and how Jenkins works? I'm going to give you a proper brief discussion about it. So, Jenkins is an open source continuous integration, continuous delivery, and deployment automation software DevOps tool written in the Java programming language. So, what is Jenkins and how does it work? Okay, I'm going to give you a brief discussion about it. So Jenkins is an open source continuous integration, what I have already said. So in automation software DevOps tools written in the Java programming language, it is used to implement CI/CD workflows called pipelines. Okay, pipelines automated testing and reporting on isolated changes in a larger code base in real time and facilities in the integration of disparate branches of the code in a main branch. They also rapidly detect defects in a code base. Okay, to build the software, automate testing of the build, prepare the code base for deployment, and ultimately deploy code with containers and virtual machines as well as bare metal and cloud servers. There are several commercial visions of Jenkins. The definition of describes the upstream open source project. So, what is the history of Jenkins? Okay, Jenkins is a fork of a project cloud called Hudson. Which was trademarked by Oracle. Hudson was eventually donated to the Eclipse Foundation as in a no longer another development. Sorry, Jenkins development is now government of the under the government of the CD Foundation and organization with the Linux Foundation. Continuous integration has evolved since conception. Originally, a daily build was the standard. Now, the usual rule is for each team member to submit work called a commit on a daily basis, and for a build to be conducted with each significant change. When user properly continuous integration provides various benefits such as constant feedback on the status of the software, because CI detects deficiencies early on in development defects and typically smaller, less complex and easier to resolve. So Jenkins and CI/CD over time, continuous delivery and deployment features has been added to Jenkins. Continuous delivery is the process of automating to building and packaging of code for eventual deployment to test. The production staging and production environments continuous deployment automates the final step of deploying the code for its final destination. In both cases, automation reduces the number of errors that occur because the correct steps and best practices are encoded in Jenkins. Jenkins describes a desired state and the automation server ensured that state is achieved. In addition, the velocity of releases can be increased since deployments are no longer bounded by personal limitations, such as operator availability. Finally, Jenkins reduces stress on the development and operation team by removing the need for middle of the night and weekend rollout. So Jenkins and microservices. So what is the difference between Jenkins and microservices? The need of Jenkins becomes especially acute when deploying to microservices architecture. Since one of the goals of microservices is to frequently update applications and services. The ability to do so, okay, cannot be founded by release bandwidth, or can more and smaller services with faster update intervals can only be achieved by the type of automation Jenkins provides. So Jenkins X, the Jenkins X project was formally uh, launched in 2018 with the goal of creating a modern cloud native Jenkins. So it is also proper a project under the guidance of CD Foundation. Its architecture, technology, pipeline language are completely different from Jenkins. Okay, Jenkins X is designed to Kubernetes and used it in its own implementation. Okay, other cloud native technology that Jenkins used are Helm and Tecton. Okay, so these are the things, guys. And in my next session, I'm going to talk about how Jenkins works. Okay, so kindly visit my channel, and all videos are running on. There are so many technical videos. There are so many knowledge sharing videos. You can go through all those videos, and you can take proper knowledge from PCS Global. After, if you think that you need to be a proper professional person, kindly go through all the videos and get that knowledge. What PCS Global do, how PCS Global works, what is the motto of PCS Global? I mean, to the vision, mission, and vision of PCS Global, that you guys need to know, because and right now, if you are a job seeker, you are a fresher, you are looking for a better opportunity in your life. So in PCS Global, we are providing that opportunity to you. Your life is you can make it beautiful. We can help you. We can give you that first step, that first ladder to be a successful person, and we are doing it. So kindly, if you need any kind of guidance, communicate with us, get proper knowledge about us, and be a proper professional person. Don't waste time, guys, because each and every day is important in our career. If you want to graph your career properly, no, kindly hold our hands and be a part of PCS Global. Okay. So this is for today's session. So bye for now, guys. Kindly subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, and comment below. Bye.